welcome to TJ Reviews. Today we're talking about this battery daddy. Now you're going to see inside of mine I've got a whole bunch of batteries. They do not come with the kit. If you look on the back of this thing, there is room for a bunch of AA batteries. And we buy them by the lot at Costco and then use this to store them. And on the front here, there are spaces for lots of different types of batteries. So you've got your D's and your C's. These are AAA's. There's spots here for 9 volt. We've also got some of these, I don't even know what these are, 123s or something, but also button batteries. They do fit in this compartment. I kind of cut down the packages so that they'll fit. One thing I do wish was if this thing came out, like, and then I could dump it, because when you get a small battery way down in here and you try to grab it, it's kind of difficult to get out. It also comes with this voltmeter, I guess. And all you do is you stick the battery on there. Let's see. And it tells you if it's good, if it's low, or replace. That also works with the button batteries. It just clamps down quite a bit tighter. And there's also a place for 9 volt. So that is your battery daddy. Thanks for watching. If you've decided to purchase any of the items you've seen on the channel, you can do so through the link. It is an affiliate link. Who's this for? It's for people who want to organize their batteries and not like have them in a plastic bag or lose them in a drawer, things like that. If you got anything out of this, send me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please comment below.